All right. Hi there. My name is Joe Meadows, and in this video, we're going to be talking about managing controlled documents using OpsLog's library feature. This is available to our pro and enterprise customers, and basically this gives you a place where you can put all those policies, procedures, all those other things into our app, and that gives you the ability to manage them and make sure that they're always up to date, and it gives employees the ability to come in here and always have access to those key documents, drawings, images, whatever it is you want to put in there. It gives them a clear, easily accessible place to get access to that stuff. So let's dive into it. So we can see here that if we go to our company page, which is where I am now, we have access to the library. For most of our employees, based on their permissions, when they come in here, they're just going to have the ability to view these various documents, view the PDFs or Word documents or whatever it is that you upload to the system. And that's it. They can do this on their desktop or on the OpsLog mobile app. Now, for those of us who are administering the system, I'm going to just quickly run you through some of the options that you have to organize your documents and make sure everybody can easily find whatever it is that they're looking for. So on a basic level, you have the ability to create a folder. You can describe the folder. You can actually set an owner. So when you set an owner for a folder, that person's going to get notifications of any documents that are expiring, etc. So that can be helpful when you set this stuff up. So here we go. We've got our test folder. And just to clarify, we can come in here and create a test subfolder in here, and you can do that all the way down if you want to. Additionally, we have the ability to upload documents. And again, this is something that's restricted to only the folks who have the permissions to administer the library, not available to everybody. So let's go upload, and I've got a sample health and safety procedure here. So I'll upload that. You can see that you get a tracking of the progress. We can see that we have a PDF and it's active. And this is currently available now to our entire team. We can view the document right here in the app. And again, this is also the case on the mobile app for your team. So super easy for them to get access to all those documents if they need to. Now, a couple of the advanced features that I just want to run you through. So if we click on information here, basically we get a couple options. We can press edit. This gives us the opportunity to rename the document if we'd like to. So it's going to pull the name of whatever file you upload, but you can give it a new name if you like. Additionally, we have the option to change the status. So if we wanted to set a document as a draft, meaning that we're kind of getting it ready for prime time, but we don't want everybody to see it, we can certainly do that. We can set it to active, which means it's visible to all of our kind of regular employees, or we can also mark it as inactive, meaning this isn't something we plan to use again, but we're just going to keep it in the system for reference. So I'll keep this one as active. And you can see here that we have a couple other options. One is file validity. So for certain documents, we understand that companies have a requirement to set them to kind of either be reviewed on an annual basis or updated or what have you. So here you have the ability to trigger that. You can set a validity period. You can set whenever it is you want that to trigger. And then you can indicate who should get a notification when this document begins to expire. That person will then get warning notifications and then a final notification when that document does become expired. Again, optional. Certain documents that's not going to be necessary, but it is available to you if you'd like it. And now finally, the link here. So this basically gives you the ability to share these files with people and make sure that basically give people access to the various documents in your library if you want to link them in a procedure or anything like that. What's kind of nice about the way we've set this up is that if you go in and you want to update the file, so let's say you have a new version of this document and you want to upload a new version, this link is actually going to stay valid. So what that means is if you do have this connected, in various documents or in emails or wherever it is, those links are going to keep working, even if you're uploading new files behind the link. So pretty powerful little feature here. We think it's a great way to kind of bring people into the future of kind of digital document management and give you the features that you need to be successful. Now, finally, again, if we just go back to this document, I do want to note that we have an integrated comment section, which is great if people have feedback on various documents, etc. They can do that here on the document, and that's very, very clean. The conversation is taking place, where anybody can engage with it, and it's just going to push your organization to be more transparent and more accountable. And additionally, one of the things that we've done is we've integrated this audit log with our comment section, and the audit log includes various views. So this is a great way if an auditor is ever curious, how do you know that your employees have viewed a certain file? You can show them that we actually have that audit log of who has viewed what and when, which is really, really powerful. And again, just speaks to the power of the technology that we have at our fingertips here. So that's kind of the basics of library management. Pretty straightforward, but a few little quirks here that I wanted to explain. Hopefully this is helpful. If you do have any questions or suggestions for us, please let us know. Otherwise, hope you have a great day. Thank you.